Hi, today we're going to be doing an unboxing review and taste testing of ChapStick Duo. Snap, change, rearrange. The flavors are pink cupcake and cotton candy. It says that it has an 8-hour moisturizer. If I could get the can to focus. Yeah, 8-hour moisturizer. Net weight is 1.94 ounces or 5.5 grams. So, yeah, you got that going on. Like they said, snap them apart, choose which one you want, put it together, something like that. The ingredients in here, let's see if we... Hopefully you can see on camera, just pause, read it. It tells you what's in the pink cupcake and what's in the cotton candy, which actually, look at this. The pink cupcake actually has more ingredients in there than the cotton candy, and you'd think it'd be reversed, the opposite. Like cotton candy would have more ingredients in there, but no. There is this little QR code here. Don't exactly know what the heck that's for, but they do have, visit www.chapstick.com. I will put a link down below in the description there. So yeah, go check that out. If you want to see all of the other products that ChapStick makes and all the flavors from the Duo series and stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here's what our little Duo pods look like. Inside it just say ChapStick Duo, has little code numbers and QR codes on there. Now one freaking retarded thing that this company did on these ChapSticks is so stupid. Like, why do they have just like, hey, ChapStick Duo, there's a code and there's a QR code. What they need to do is put the flavor on the inside. Because, I mean, you let them side by side, people's going to be like, okay, that's a red one, that's a red one, that's a pink one, that's a pink one, that's a blue one, that's a orange one, They're not going to know the sense and the flavorings of these. They're just going